everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video. I just saw the mail lady, so I was waiting on one other part of this order to be able to make this video. So I'm sharing my monthly Young Living box along with some things that I used my rewards points on. So I'll show you what I got first that I was just waiting on. So I got a liquid foundation brush. This is the Savvy Minerals makeup that Young Living has. And so I've been using Savvy Minerals makeup for almost 4 years now. I think next month will be 4 years. So very clean makeup, has essential oils in it as well. And so I was using a brush from Target, I think, and it just seemed like it was just slathering it on my face and not like getting on really nicely. So I did splurge a little bit to get this brush specifically for the liquid foundation. They also have powder foundation, which I've used before, but I just like the liquid better just because that's what I've used over the years. But it's nice because it is clean and it's not going to irritate my skin. And these are actually made in Italy, so that's kind of fun. So I'll have to give that a try. And then I got two other makeup things. I'm not a huge makeup wearer, but I do like to wear makeup on occasion just for fun, and I feel more productive when I'm more put together, I guess. So I love bronzer. I use it all the time, but I've never really been a blush person. So I decided to give their blush a try. I don't know if you can see in here, just kind of a nice shimmery pink. Let's see what the kind is. This is Awestruck. So I actually put it on before this video, so I think it looks nice. I still have to kind of mess with it because I'm not a makeup artist by any means, so still trying to figure out the amount that I need so it's not too much, but nice subtle. So I think I did okay, but there's room for improvement. But I'm excited to use this more now that we're kind of getting into fall and winter, and I'm not going to be outside a ton, so I feel like I don't really need to wear a ton of bronzer. I still love the bronzer, but I'm trying out the blush for now. And then the last thing that I had not switched over to the Savvy Minerals line is actually my liquid eyeliner. So that just ran out. So I wanted to switch over to this one. So this is, what is it called? Jet Setter. So it is black and it's actually a powder, as you can see. I did put a little bit on today before making this video just to try it out. They do have a misting spray that you can use to make this a liquid, which I tried and I think I got too much of the spray. So I might have to try and get a little teeny spray on there so that way it's thicker and not so watery, but I think it looks nice. And I've also used their rose ointment, which I use on my eyebrows, but I've also used it in a pinch when I forgot my eyeliner. So we'll see how this goes. But I mean, this is a small container, but this is going to last me probably a year or more because you need such a small amount for this. So that's the Jet Setter. And then another one that I wanted to restock on, which I have posted several times in other unboxing videos, the Thieves Cough Drops. I always need to have at least one backup bag of these. especially as we are getting into fall and winter here, not too long. So soothing sore throats, relieves coughs, cools nasal passages. So I just like them. I always have them in my purse just in case. It's just really dry in the winter. So just sometimes when I wake up, I just kind of have a dry throat. I'm not sick, but it's just nice to have a little cooling cough drop to have on hand. And then the last one that I wanted to stock up on, even though I just got my first bottle in my August subscription box with Young Living, is the Progessin Plus. So this is a Progessin serum, and it actually has progesterone in it, and it's extracted from wild yams, which is crazy, but obviously you can't just like eat a bunch of wild yams and get the progesterone effects. It goes through the whole distillation process and all that, extraction. So I have been using this for, it'll be a month coming up here. So far I am happy with the results. I did hear from one of you that said that you used it for like about 2 months before you started noticing some differences, just because I'm trying to eliminate any synthetic hormones and things like that. So I want to try to support my body more naturally. So a month in, I'm happy with it so far. I usually just put it like here or like on my wrists, or I've done like inner ankles or your stomach. You kind of want it on a thinner skin surface and just kind of alternate where you place it. But I've heard some people just put it in the same place every day, and it is like slow releasing. It's not just like boom, you just get a bunch of progesterone. So I just do like a drop or two on each arm and just like rub it in. It smells really good because it's got some really good essential oils in it. I won't go into all of them, but it's just kind of a nice kind of like perfume, I guess, but also giving me natural progesterone in my body daily. So I take this every single day. Maybe in a month or so, I did read on the bottle that you can do it multiple times a day, but I don't know if I'll necessarily need to do that or not. But my OB was totally supportive of me trying to do this versus having synthetic hormones and all of that good stuff. But that is my small but mighty order to have my monthly order, but also using some of my points to get some things that are a little bit more expensive that I wouldn't normally buy, but I'm using my points, so I don't feel too bad about using it if it's going to make putting on the makeup a lot better if I'm using their brushes. So if you are considering getting a clean makeup from Savvy Minerals, it is worth investing in the nicer brushes for those. But thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button if you want to see more Young Living wellness tips. I try to alternate week to week between this and some other things that I share. So if you are liking this, I would appreciate a thumbs up and a comment, and subscribing if you like this content. I'll see you next time.